Today's October 25th, 2016. We're standing at the site of the old Freezer Queen building here in Buffalo, New York. This is kind of an iconic building on our outer harbor. For a long time, it's been sitting vacant after the company went out of business, and the outer harbor has long been since left behind in Buffalo. It's making a transformation. This 270,000 square foot concrete monster is coming down in an effort to rebuild a new set of mixed use with condominiums, high rise right here on the outer harbor. We're very pleased to be a part of this project, which is a $60 million project that's going to spur a lot of development here in Buffalo's outer harbor. Happy to be a part of the rebirth of Buffalo and the redevelopment. This building is going to have about 40,000 tons of concrete that we're going to crush and recycle, turn it into aggregate. We've taken cork out of the freezer building to recycle that, and we're going to turn that into reuse. So on this project, we will probably recycle close to 99% of the materials that came out of it. It sits right on Buffalo's outer harbor, just 20 feet away from the water, which is the Lake Erie. We're doing this in conjunction with RP and Oak Hill, a contractor here from Buffalo also, and Jerry Buchheit, who is the developer on the project. So the whole structure's coming down from front to back. There's a water tower on the roof. We're going to do a separate pole on that water tower. We've hooked cables at strategic points of the water tower. We're going to make some strategic cuts on it, and we'll use some heavy-duty excavators to pull the tower down and pull it over to the ground. And we'll use some shears to cut it up, ship it off to some local scrap yards, and use that for recycling. This project took a lot of efforts from the Total Wrecking team, right from our engineers, our project designers, our superintendents, our operators, our laborers, right to the very last person, and we're very proud of our Total Wrecking team.